What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I think today is going to be more of a sentimental video than anything else because we are finally putting new wheels on the Civic, and this car has never had new wheels on it. And if you guys remember a video from maybe a year and a half ago, I made custom wheels, and let me show you some clips from that video. Now, the entire reason I put new camber arms all over the car is because these wheels are thick. They are 8¼ inch wide, and for Honda spec, that seems to be a bit wide, and I really don't want to raise the car any more than it is now because I like the way this car sits. So these wheels being wider, they're 16s. I'm gonna try, you know, I try getting tire specs that are pretty much the same what I have now, just a little bit more meat on them. So I am running 215/35 ZR16s. I'm just gonna get to putting them on, and I'm nervous. The fronts, I'm not nervous about having any fitment issues at all. I think they're going to be mint. The backs are where I'm afraid of. But let's get these wheels on. I'm like nervous and excited at the same time because the Civic is like almost complete looking. The front looks absolutely mint, and I'm gonna roll it out to the sun when we get these backs on. The reason I did the fronts first, because I wanted to test my steering angle, which I can full lock, no hitting anything. It's this much far away from everything. If I hit a bump while turning, I might clip my fender, but maybe you have to roll them or something. The backs is what I'm nervous about, because when I tested these wheels originally, they didn't fit. And I said maybe with some camber, it'll fix it. Hopefully the camber fixes it, but we're gonna get the backs on, roll it out into the sun, and take some nice edits. But dude, these fronts, they look incredible. Like, I am so stoked on how these look right now. This is amazing looking. You know, it's crazy. By putting wheels on, this car is now like 98% done on the outside. I want to add a wing, maybe some tint, and just clean up how she looks on the outside. But besides that, this car is like done. And you know, I've had this car for I think 5 years now to get to this point, and I'm low-key a little emotional right now. It's crazy, and I'm gonna show off the wheels with the netted, and then I think we're gonna get a little sentimental and put a bunch of old clips of the car and the journey it's been through, because I don't know, or maybe I'll make a separate video of just the Civic is like complete. Let's just get into the edit. know there's gonna be comments about the lug nuts that I'm using, and right now they're on OEM lug nuts, and I'm not gonna be driving the car like this. I'm going to be changing them out before I drive the car anywhere. I might take it for like a little thing around the block just to see how it feels, because I have not driven the car with the new camber arms, and I have not driven the car with the wheels on, so I might just take it for a little spin around the block. Nothing extreme, maybe going 15 miles an hour the whole time. But I will be changing the lug nuts out really soon. And no, I think I'm going to make a separate video of the journey I've had with this car, because again, I've had this car for like 5 years and it's just crazy. Now, there are some drawbacks to this new wheel setup that I'm noticing. One, the back is super, super tight, and I'll show a little clip. But if I hit a big bump, I'm probably gonna bottom them out. I'm pretty sure it's all smooth back there, so I'm not really concerned about the tire popping. The front fitment seems pretty perfect. I'm noticing my passenger side is higher up than my driver's side, and I don't know why. It could be just old coilovers, it could be from being on the donut, it might resettle. I'm not sure, but it's a little bit off, so I'm definitely gonna have to fix that. My alignment is bad. Again, I need to do a front end alignment again, which shouldn't be too bad, but needs to get done. And with these wheels being 16s, it raised the car like 2 inches, and it looks OEM height. And it kind of bothers me just a little bit. The fitment looks great, but the car doesn't sit low anymore. And I can't lower the car anymore because these wheels are so big. And aesthetically, it's a little bothering for me. Other than that, the wheels are on. I just need to get lugs, and I'm gonna reach out to a few companies and see if I can get some good deals going. But this is like mind-blowing. It looks so crazy seeing the car like this. Like, bro, this doesn't even look like my car anymore. Like, there's so much done to this thing now, it's like insane. I'm definitely gonna end up making like a nostalgic video. I'm gonna clean her up a little bit, you know, make her look good, take some good pictures and everything, but this is insane. Like, it just mind-blowing me right now. Now, we obviously have a lot of loose ends that this car still has to clean up to make this, you know, everything I've ever wanted, but so far we are so close. The next focus really is gonna be exhaust and interior stuff. I wanna touch the engine, I really wanna boost it, but at the same time, this car is B series, and if this engine blows, I have to go K series, which isn't a bad idea, but no one does B series anymore because they can't find them anymore, and kind of don't wanna lose it. So this might have been a different video. It's a little bit emotional for me today, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking out through the years, and just thank you for everything. So comment, like, subscribe, keep the fun stuff, keep doing you, and stay motivated. Catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.